Hey guys, Mike with A&M here. Today we're gonna see how much it costs to dispose of TVs. So they actually charge by the weight. So I'm about to go up to the dump right now, get on the scale, and then we'll see how much we get charged to dump. I got 2 TVs and 1 computer monitor. So that's what today's video is about. All right guys, we are pulling up to the dump right now, and we will see how much we weigh when we come out of the dump. Hey, I got TVs. A&M.
Okay, weigh out on the other side.
Okay, how much is it per pound for that?
300 a ton.
300 a ton? Oh, that it doesn't go by. Okay.
No,
That's,
that goes by feet.
oh, okay, thank you. All right, guys, we will drive through here over to where I have to dump the TVs. 300 a ton, so I have no idea what that's gonna equate to. I mean, I probably have like 100 pounds maybe. So we'll see how much it costs. All right guys, this is where I'm gonna put the TV, the 2 TVs I got and this monitor. We're just gonna drop them off right here. As you can see, I'm not the only person with electronics. And they got it all labeled over here. E-waste, printers, small flat screens, small TVs, laptops, and computers. So they got a good system around here, but let me get the rest of these TVs off and then we'll see how much it costs. All right, we got the TVs dropped off. Just leave them right there. Now we're gonna go head out on the scale. All right guys, so it was actually pretty expensive to dump those 2 TVs and that 1 monitor. The total was $36. So 0.12 tons of e-waste at 300, it was $36 when it all was said and done. So really, I just have to kind of give that expense to the customer. So if they have a TV, you gotta remember, the last guy told me it was about 50 cents a pound. So I don't know, I'd have to do the math on it, but yeah, overall pretty expensive to get rid of TVs. You know, most of the time when I'm doing a house cleanup or anything, they do have a TV. So that's something to keep in mind, and monitors and computers are the same exact way. So don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification button, and thanks for watching guys. We'll see you next time.